Hey, hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Where are my glasses? Where are my glasses? Oh, I can see now. Hey, the DJI Mini 2 drone. Two of my must-have add-ons for this thing, okay? Number one, if you've seen any of my videos, you've seen this. And if you get out flying and you look down at the ground trying to find where you're landing at, you can see this from the sky. And also it comes with a light kit that goes around it that will light up at night. And if you want the black side up, you can do the black side up or the yellow side, or neon green, whatever color you want to call that. And it comes with this nifty carrying case, and it comes with a little battery thing, and it's got a switch on it that you can turn the lights on it. Oh, you want to see that? Let me show you. You just plug this in. Easy for me to see. Let's see. Now that I've got my glasses on, I should be able to see it. So you just plug that in, and then you flip this switch right here, and it's lit up. You do it again and it blinks. You do it again, it blinks faster. And then again, it turns it off. And then you just unconnect the little cable there. And you can fold it up and put it back in the bag. Well, I have a van that I can just store it in the back of, so I don't do that. And I just have this with the battery and the stakes to stake it down if it's a little windy. Because you can fly your DJI Mini 2 drone in the wind, because this is very stable. Now, a new thing that I got that I haven't used it yet, but it's going to be a must for the DJI Mini 2 drone. It's going to be a must. Hold on a second, because it goes on the controller. Let me show you. You open up the antenna. You take the cable out, just like that. Take the cable out. And then what I ordered is mobile phone sun hood for DJI Mini 2. And I will put a link to that down below the video. No, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just putting a link down there where I bought it from, so if you want one, you can buy one. But let's see how hard it is to put on, because I have not tried to do it yet. So I'm taking it out of the box. As you can see, stuff's falling everywhere. Oh, it's got a little instruction thing here. So I'll just hold that right up there so you can see. And you can pause the video if you want to, but that's what the little instruction thing came with it. So I'm going to lay that down there so I can see it. And it comes in a very nice box. And I'm just going to open it up here. Easy for me to say. I should have had this done already. I know this is hard to open. Well, it's not hard to open. It's just plastic. But I'm trying to get it open here. Now they had black ones, but I did not want black ones because black ones draw heat. So I got the gray one. And look how nice that it matches. Look at that. It matches real nice with the controller. So now let's see how it works. So, oh, it's got magnets on it. So you open it up like that, and then you fold these out. Okay, so it goes in like this. It's got 3 holes there, and the little knobs that hold the phone go in the holes, and it just sits there nice like that. Now let me see if I can get the phone in. And then you just sit your phone in there like that, and you pull the whole thing back. It's a very nice little device, a little thing. Okay, now It's got a flap on the side here that you open up, that you put your cable through, and I have to sit down to do that. So now you got the cable through there like that. Now you got to get it adjusted just right. It sounds like it's a lot of work, and it might be this is the first time I'm doing it, so I don't know. And then you plug your cable in here, just like that. So now that's plugged in. So now you can fold this up, you can fold this however, whatever. Let's just see. That magnet goes there like that. And you fold this side up. And that magnet goes around there, and it's a magnet, holds it, okay? So now, let's see. This has magnets on it also. And you can do that like that. And then this one has to go on the outside too. And you got your little magnets there to hold it, I think. And once you use it a couple of times, it's going to get broke in, and it's going to be easier to use, I think. And there's your little shade box for your phone on your controller. And let me just turn it on and see what it looks like. I don't like it because it starts charging the phone. They need to fix that. So let's just see what it looks like once it turns on. Okay, I can see that pretty good. So that's with it. That's with the app on. Looks good. I think that's going to cure the problem of not being able to see when you're outside. So that's how nice it looks. I hope it works. I'm going to be trying it out next time I go flying. So that's the two things that I would suggest that you get with your DJI Mini 2 drone that will help you tremendously in making better videos. Because you've seen some of my videos and I can do better. I'm hoping this shade right here will help me, because I've been having a real hard time seeing the phone. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I have another video for you soon. You guys have a fantastic day. This is Harold signing out, baby. See you later.